So, I woke up in this weird hallway, kinda like an IKEA maze, if IKEA sold emotional damage. Every door had a label. Almost told her how I felt. Almost changed careers. Almost started that YouTube channel. Almost stopped eating bread after 9 p.m. Lies. I never stopped. I opened the first door. Boom. It's me, under a tree, girl in front of me. I try to say, "Hey, I like you." What comes out? Aggressive coughing. Like tree-falling squirrel levels of coughing. She says, "Are you okay?" I say, "Pollen." Door slams. Pride? Gone. Next door, it's me at a boring desk. Resignation letter in one hand, coffee in the other. Outside the window, my dream self flipping pancakes like Gordon Ramsay. I almost quit. But then, team meeting in 5. My backbone folded like a lawn chair. The pancake rolled away. Next door hits deep. I'm in an argument, not yelling, just that icy silence that says, I'm not mad, just disappointed. My bag's packed, hand on the door, and yet, I stay. Let's work on it, I say. 6 months later, I'm apologizing for blinking too loud. Now I'm tired, emotionally jet-lagged, knees weak, eyes dry, spirit cracked. Then I see it. A blank door. No sign, just a soft glow. I reach for the knob, and words fade in. Still can. Color starts creeping in. My red hat? Glowing. Heart? Kinda beating again. And I get it. All those almosts. They weren't endings. They were nudges. Reminders. Yeah, I missed the moment. Yeah, I flopped. Multiple times. But I'm still here. Still can. So now I'm walking different. Little bounce in my step. Little bread roll in my hand. After 9 p.m. And you know what? I'm okay with that.